Hello guys, in today's video we're going to be learning about Ohm's Law. Ohm's Law, let me just write Ohm's Law real quick. Ohm's Law right there. What is Ohm's Law? Ohm's Law is for the voltage, resistance, and current of a electronic circuit. So we have this thing called the Ohm's Law Pyramid. It goes like this. You have a line in the middle and then a line going down from the bottom. Now in this top corner we have a V. Right here we have an I or an R. I'm just gonna put an R. An R. And in this one I put an I. You can put these backwards, it doesn't matter. Now the V is for volts or voltage. R is for resistance, and I is for current, which is measured in milliamps and amps. Now volts are measured in volts. Resistance is measured in ohms, and current is measured in amps. Now, we need the formulas to figure out the voltage of a circuit, the resistance of a circuit, and the current of a circuit. Now, what we do is we multiply on the bottom, and we divide if it's on the top. So we're in the V right now. So we're going to multiply R times I. R times I is equal to V. Now we're going to do I. I would be V divided by R, since there's a 1 in the middle. So V divided by R is equal to I. Now, if you wanted to figure out the resistance, you would do V divided by I. So V divided by I is equal to the resistance. So say you actually had an electronic circuit that you need to measure these in. You would only need to know two of the things down here to figure out the resistance, the current, or the voltage. So say I had a 9-volt battery. This is a 9-volt battery right down here. And we want to find the, okay, we're going to put a resistor right here. This resistor is going to be 1,000 ohms. Now say you wanted to find the current of the circuit. You would do voltage divided by resistance. And that will be 0.009 milliamps. So the amperage of this circuit, or the current of this circuit, would be 0.009 milliamps. Now, say you wanted to find the resistance of a circuit. You would multiply 9 volts times the amperage, which is 0.009 milliamps, and that would give you 1000 ohms. And say you wanted to find the voltage. You're going to multiply the resistance times this number in milliamps, and you're going to get 9 volts. So that is Ohm's law, and how you can figure out the voltage of a circuit, the resistance of the circuit, or the current of a circuit. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.